To dial in your Pico Grinder, first pour the coffee beans into the hopper. When dialing in your grinder, it is best to follow a recipe. Ensure you have the right size basket for your recipe. Tare your scales and weigh the coffee. Here we are using a 1:2 ratio and are grinding 21 grams of coffee. You can grind straight into your portafilter or a dose cup. Tamp your coffee. Lock your portafilter into the machine and place your scales on the drip tray and cups on the scales. Activate the brew paddle to start extraction. You can see here the espresso is extracting too quickly, which can result in sour and dull tasting coffee. This is called under extraction. To fix this, use the dial to make an adjustment to a finer grind by turning the dial to the right to a small number. When adjusting the grind, ensure you only make small adjustments. Grind your coffee, weigh on the scales, and tamp your coffee. Place portafilter into your machine. Place scales on the drip tray and cups on the scales. Activate the brew paddle. Here the espresso is over extracting. When the espresso is too slow, it can taste bitter and lack sweetness. To fix this, use the dial to make an adjustment to a coarser grind by turning the dial to the right. Remember to only make small adjustments. Repeat this process and make small adjustments until you are happy with the extraction. Once you are happy with the extraction, set the preset buttons on the Pico.